Around 2 years ago, we decided to form this community. At mga ilang araw din natin pinag-isipan kung ano ang magiging pangalan nitong community nito. Learning from the past and learning from the things we desire should be for our community. We have finally understood what Jesus was saying. Na yung kanyang community ay hindi yung pinakamalaki, hindi yung pinaka-well-organized, hindi yung pinaka-well-funded, hindi yung community kung saan ang dami-dami mga talents ng tao. Hindi na ito isang community kung saan ang lahat successful ang ginagawa. Ang community na kanyang sinasabi, which will be the only community that will define a Christian community, is that it is a loving community. Kaya doon natin pinili ang pangalan Agapetos, the beloved ones. Sapagkat tayo nakadama ng kanyang pagmamahal, ipapamalas din natin ang pagmamahal na yan sa iba. And so even as we celebrate tonight, it's a good thing to ask, have we become the community that Jesus wanted us to become? Where the rules are not the number one priority. Where the pagsunod sa mga kautusan is not the number one priority. But the priority is that tayo nagmamahal. Where everyone feels accepted, welcome, and truly loved. Magandang examination of conscience for today. Kaya I congratulate those who organized to come up with this. Because the thing is a reminder of what we should do. Always wearing our hearts out. In this community, no one should feel shy second. We should always feel the privileged one, the beloved one, the one who is loved, the one who is given the importance that we should deserve. Alam nyo, in my talk with the BOP recently, ang challenge ko sa kanila, increase our number by the end of the year to at least 500. Ang di mo na nadugtog ito. And the only way that can be done is if people look at us and say, wow, grabe silang magmahalan. Dapat join ako dyan. Or for people to look at us and see the way we do things and say, I do not understand how they can do it, but I definitely want what they have. And that is why masobra silang magmahalan sa isa't isa. Agapetos defines our community. And it means a loving community. Beloved to the Lord, and now are loving each other. Kaya ang sabi ko tonight, there will be not many speeches. Even this is going to be short, my sermon. But tonight, we will just say, we are happy, we are together. Tonight, we express our love to one another. Tonight, we enjoy each other's giftedness and company. Naalala niyo, yung aking kwento tungkol kay St. John, the Evangelist, the last one to die of the 12 apostles of the Lord. And every time at the age of 100, there was an affair, a big gathering. He was always asked to speak. And every time when he would stand up, ito ang kanyang sasabihin, love one another. Next year, another affair, tatayo siya, at yun ang sasabihin, love one another. Na mga ilang taon rin pa ulit may nagtanong, wala na bang iba? Yun na lang at iyon. Sumagot siya, love one another. Do that. And we do not need anything else. Tonight, that's where our hearts are. Let's make everybody feel beloved and loved. Tonight, let's make everybody feel that this is a community where people are important and valued. That is the Christian community. Amen. Tayo,